Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Devinshal. Today I will show you how to build one simple restaurant website in HTML and CSS, and I hope you'll be enjoy this video and you will be learning from this video. Like previously we have done many of the things related to HTML and CSS. We have done how to make tribute page, how to make a survey form. Then the last video was of personal portfolio page, and I hope you enjoy that all things, and I hope you will be enjoying this video also. So in this video we will be talking about and we will be learning about how to build a restaurant website, and it will be really simple website, not really big website of multiple pages or not a only single page website. I will be only making a page of that simple page which we can make if we want to make a website. So I will be showing you how to build, because it will be not a really big thing to make and it is for beginners, so it will be easy to make and codes will be also not so difficult, like you don't so it will be not really difficult. So I hope you'll be enjoying this video and liking that. But if you are enjoying and learning from this video, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button, and if you have not subscribed yet, so subscribe also, because it will be really motivation for me. I will be getting motivated from that and making more videos like that. And share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn what is coding, how to do programming, and what is HTML and CSS. So we'll be now starting with our project or video. So like I'm telling you, we will be building a simple restaurant website in HTML and CSS. So we will be starting to build. For building a restaurant website, first of all you have to do one thing. Just open your text editor, Sublime Text, like previously we were working on that. I will be closing these windows because I don't need to open that. Simply I'll be going to my search bar and just opening my Sublime Text here. Like I've told you previously also, if you are having your own like Sublime Text link on your desktop, shortcut on desktop, you can open from there. But if you are not having, so just click open your search bar, search for Sublime Text and press enter to open that. Simply I'll be just pressing Ctrl A to select, and I'll be deleting by pressing delete button or backspace. You can do be pressing delete. You can see all the things has been deleted. Same I will be doing with CSS also. I'll be deleting that because I will be using these both files and I want to show you where these both files are. So simply I'll be going to my desktop. You can see here these both files I have stored. One is called index.html, second one is style.css. On desktop I put these files. So just remember one thing, when you are saving your file of index.html or style.css, so it will be in same location. Like it should not be like CSS in desktop and HTML is saved in another folder in desktop. So it will be really difficulty for you, and your files will be also not linked with CSS or HTML, and your codes will be not working. So because of that, save index.html and CSS file in same location. So simply I'll be now coming and writing starting code of HTML. You can see we have written the starting code. Now I will be given the title, like we are making a restaurant website. So simply I'll be given a restaurant website, or you can write simple restaurant website because it will be really simple website. I'll be saving this, and then you can see we have done. Now simply I'll be opening my Opera browser because it is my default browser, like I've telling you. Here I'll be closing these things. Okay, now I'll be opening it. You can see now it has been opened, our restaurant website. You can see here it is. So now I will be doing it half screen, so I can do my code also, and I can work with my these things like of my HTML and CSS code. Simply I'll be closing this window also of Google Chrome. Now simply here you can see we have given the title of restaurant website, and it is coming here at the top left side. You can see that. Now we will be making an interface page of that. So for making a restaurant website, you can just do one thing here. Like if I move here, and then I have to make a simple landing page of that. So here I will be writing a h1, but first of all I want to pick a background image. So here we will be putting a background image of restaurant because we are making a restaurant website. Going to Opera browser, I'll be opening Google, and here I'll be searching for website like Pixabay. From there I will be picking my pics. Like I'm telling you, there are many websites you can just search about and get pictures. So here I want restaurant related pictures, so because of that I'll be writing restaurant images, or you can write restaurant also, so it will be putting up images. You can see we are getting some of the restaurant images. You can take you can pick from here. So my opinion is pick any of your own pick if you want to pick, or you can just pick any of the other pictures also. It's your choice what you pick. Simply I'll be picking this one because I like this image. So simply for downloading, press free download, and you can just select how did your image should be. So I want in JPEG and it should be good resolution, so you can select here and download. Now here you will be just have to sign in here, so you can just join here, or you can say you can log in here with any of your account and you can work with. You can see now we have just done and our image has been downloaded. So you have to make your Gmail and log in with any of your account, like demo account you can log in with, and you can download many of the images. There are some images of like money also, you can buy also some of the images, because that will be really good quality images and not having any of the like bad effect or anything like that. Simply I'll be now copying this image by pressing right click and press copy. You can press Ctrl C also to copy that, and I'll be pasting that on my desktop. So press right click and paste that, or press Ctrl V. Then I will be giving it the name of restaurant. And here we have done that. Now we have to see the JPEG file or PNG. You can see it is JPEG file. Simply I'll be going to my Sublime Text, and here I'll be opening my Opera browser also, because I want to do side by side. Now here for picking up a background image, first of all we have to link our style sheet with HTML. So when we will be writing codes in CSS, so it should work. Simply I'll be writing link, then press enter. You can see we have just getting that. Now our file name is style.css, so simply I'll be writing and saving that. Go to style.css, write this tag, which means you are defining all the things in HTML. Then I will be moving down here and writing a tag which should be like background image, because we have to put a background image first of all, and our image URL is restaurant.jpg, because we have given the name of that. So here I will be writing restaurant.jpg. Save here and reload. You can see we have gotten our image, but it is not totally coming, like it is coming half image. We should not get this much image. We want all image should be coming. So I will be showing you how to do. Simply just come here, first of all write background attachment fixed. Just follow my steps which I am doing, so your image will be coming good. So here I'll be now writing size cover, then write here position, which should be no repeat, because we don't want our image should be repeat 2 times. So here I'll be writing no repeat. Save this and just reload here. You can see you have gotten your image all. You can see totally we have gotten our image and it is looking good. Now we want it should be having a dark color, so when we writing text on this and the middle side, so it should be coming more more attractive. It should be, not the image should be attractive. So here I will be doing one thing. I will be coming to my background image, and here I'll be writing linear gradient, and here I'll be making this tag. Simply when you've done that, here I will be moving, and then when you just move here, I will be writing here RGBA, then make this tag again, write 000.8, close this, and here I will be now doing one thing. Simply I will be closing this tag also, which I have opened already. Save this now, reload this. You can see we are just not getting our image here, because we have to put this one here. Okay, so close this. Now you can see we have just not getting here, so simply I'll be doing one thing. I will be erasing from here, then I will be making a bracket here, and I will be closing this bracket after this thing. Okay, so we don't want to get 2 brackets here, so simply save and reload. You can see we are just getting here, and now I will be writing here like linear gradient. Now we are just getting that. Now simply I'll be opening and writing RGBA. I'll be opening this again, then write 0.8, close this bracket, and here also. So when you're done with that, simply you can see we are just not getting this, and here you have to. Okay, so I think we should do like that. Okay, just follow my step which I am doing here. Just write here linear gradient again in the same location where we have written previously. Do one thing here, write starting bracket here, then make a starting bracket here, write RGBA, make other bracket, and then write 0.8 or any other you have to write. So simply I'll be now doing one thing. I will be just pressing backspace here. Okay, so write 0.8, and we have written this. You can see we have just written this, and when you've written that, I want one thing here, and press front space, press this, and erase from here. Save here and reload. Okay, so my opinion is not to do here, just do gradient when you are giving color to it. Save that and reload. You can see we are get. Now we will be writing text here. So for writing a text you have to do one thing, simply come over here to index.html, then I will be given that h1. Here I will be writing restaurant website. Simply I'll be now coming here and writing best website for getting food. Save here and reload. You can see we are getting our text. Now we want this text will be in center. So here I will be now coming, then I will be just pressing enter, and here I will be writing h1. Simply I'll be just taking that to down. So here I will be writing padding 300 pixels. Save and reload. You can see we are just getting this restaurant website here, so I will be full screening that. You can see here we are getting, and our text is here. So simply I will be now doing one thing. Here I will be moving, then changing that to 500. Save and reload. You can see we are getting it in more center, and we are also getting a scroll effect in our image. So when you are writing that, simply I will be doing one thing here, like just move over here and then change that to like only restaurant. So here when you've done that, just save this file and reload here, and you can see we are getting only restaurant. Okay, so we have erased from here. We should erase from. Save and reload again. Now you can see we are getting only restaurant written here. Now we want it should be having a good font and size, everything like that. Simply I'll be coming and writing font family Montserrat. So here I will be writing Montserrat, comma sans serif. Then I will be writing it to color white. So right here color white, and I want one thing like font size. So simply write here font size, which I want of, like you can say 50 pixels. Save and reload. So here I will be reloading that. You can see we are getting it here. So I will be doing one thing now, give it 450 and save and reload here, and you can see we are getting it in more center. So I will take in that to 410. Save here, reload, and here we are just getting it. So save here and reload. Now we can see we are getting it in center. So when you are just getting this thing here, you have to just do one thing simply. Here we are just getting restaurant written here, and it is looking good. And if you want to give background effect to here, you can also give. So here I will be coming, then I will be just here I will be writing a tag which will be like linear gradient tag. You can use to give it color. So here I will be writing linear gradient. So just write that here, and then simply give it color of any color you can just give here to if you want to give. So here I will be now giving that to press Ctrl Z. Here I will be writing RGBA, then write this one and close this. And when you've done with that, just press space, save here and reload from here. You can see nothing is coming here because here it is removed. So simply I'll be coming over here, then if I do like that, and then if I just save and reload here. Okay, so if I do one thing, save. Okay, so we want that it should be having, if I will be doing like that, still it is not coming, you can see. So here I will be now doing to save. And when you've done with that, simply I'll be coming here and writing that comma 0, save and reload. Okay, so this tag is not working yet, so simply I'll be erasing this here. And if I do one thing, if I make this, and now if I write linear gradient, then Ctrl Z, make this, write RGBA, make this 0. Okay, it is not working here, so we will be doing like this. Now you can see we are getting it restaurant here. So it was a simple restaurant website with image which we have made, and I hope you understand. If you have understand, enjoy this video, so please hit a like to this video if you are enjoying more videos like that. So comment me what things I should make in coming up videos and what should be helpful for you, because if you give comment to me. I will be understanding that comment and making that things in future videos, and I hope you'll be enjoying that videos also. But in coming up videos, my future plan is to tell you about how to make a build, how to make like really good website, how to use codes and make a really good website like multi-pages, single page, many of things I've decided to make in future videos, and that will be helpful. But we are starting for beginners, so obviously we have to just make some of the small projects, then we can move to intermediate and advanced level projects, which will be helpful for you. We will be meeting in next project or next tutorial, or you can say next video. So for today, goodbye.